back to Morning Sun Homestead. Today we was just coming up to check our head box. As you can see, this is where our spring is collected. This is where all our water comes for our whole homestead. It goes into, from here it goes into a 1,500 gallon tank. From there, if you look to the left, that's where our overflow is. And if you can see the house way down there, you can see the rooftop of the house. All our water is gravity fed, so we don't need no pressure tank or nothing. Everything's done from the gravity. So when you go for your placement of your house on your homestead, if there's a spring on it, that might be one thing you can consider, is maybe finding a spring so you know where to put your house. Like I said, when power goes out, we have full water, and we have hot water too, because we run off propane. We don't use electric hardly for anything. We have wood heat, so everything's done. If we lose power grid, we're 99% capable of doing everything of everyday life. It was dry all summer, and our spring continued to run like this. This is the overflow. You can still see it coming out. We're a family of 6. The wife done 5 loads of laundry this morning, and the overflow is still running. So what we did, so we don't like wasting nothing on a homestead, we put a line up here, and it catches all the runoff, which is cold water all summer long, and we run it down below to water the cows in a cow feeding tank, which we'll show you on our way back down the hill. The wife is screaming down there and show you the line where it runs down over the hill. We just try to use everything we can, and like I said, this is water that happens, and it's cold for the animals all summer long. As you can see, up there's our holding tank. You can see the drop of the land. If the wife turns around slowly here, you can see what drop we have down to the house itself. And we can run both showers, the wash machine, and she can be doing dishes, and we don't notice a difference in the water pressure. And that's just natural gravity water pressure. As you can see, here's that black pipe that comes down from the holding tank into one of the cows' feeding waters. So this runs all year long, so the cows always have clean, cold water to drink. And then we made a tap on the other end just so we could hook. We have some seeper lines that we hook, and we actually water our garden in the summertime when it's real dry. Everything's gravity fed. There's nothing power. So really, if it wasn't for the freezers, we would probably be 100%, which if worst case scenario, we could can everything up in the freezers, which we keep enough jars on hand to be able to do that. If you learned something, if you're maybe your house placement or using a water or spring to do the same things we're doing. Y'all have a wonderful day.